In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music in Adobe Premiere Pro. So to go and add music to your video, you first need to drag some audio footage into your timeline. So I already have this MP3 file here, so what I'm going to do is drag this file just right below the video track like so, and that's going to insert an audio track into our video footage. Now, if you don't have any music and you're looking to find some for your video, you can always use this website here, pixabay.com. Click on music in the navigation bar and then just go and search for the type of music that you want to find. Now, once you have your audio track in the timeline like this, we can go and resize it so it fits the full width of the video. And if you want to adjust the volume of this audio, you can simply click on it like so. Come over to Effect Controls in the top left-hand side. Click on Volume from the drop-down arrow, and you can adjust this level either up or down depending on if you want to increase or decrease the volume. You can also fade the music both in and out, and we can do that by clicking on Window in the top navigation, click on Effects, and then come down to the Effects tab in the bottom window. From the search box, just go and search for Fade, and then we're going to scroll down until we see Audio. Underneath Audio Transitions, click on the drop down next to Crossfade. Then we're going to drag Exponential Fade onto the start of our audio track like this. And now if I zoom in to my audio track and come right to the beginning, you can see we now have this fade at the beginning. And you can do the same thing for the ending of the audio as well, just by dragging this fade over to the end. And it's really as simple as that, guys. That's how you add music in Premiere Pro. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.